Ay, punta na tayo sa beach. Doon kami nang galing. Hindi ko na ma-video yung hanggang kung saan kami talaga nagsimula kasi napakalayo na namin. Eto, para ka na rin nasa disyerto. Parang nasa ibang planeta ka na. Arctic tundras?
The hard part is over again. I think it's Arctic tundra.
Really pretty. Nice place. They're eating the seeds too long, eh? Now they're done. They're gonna fly towards you now. That's awesome. There's Lincoln. He's gonna go out now. So, ngayon ay punta na tayo sa beach at ipapakita ko sa inyo ito. So, kahapon, natatandaan nyo ba na ngayon ay March 19, Thursday. Ang bilis ng araw. Thursday. Wow, look.
Mommy, why we didn't
It's so
bring
pretty.
the holder? You know, the holder for the thing.
The bag for the water?
Yeah.
Because I thought it's gonna be heavier for you. That's why I did it that way. Ang bilis ng araw. Huwebes na. Tapos susunod uwian na. Ito ayaw pang umuwi. Gusto niya lang dito sa gubat. Enjoy ni Cookie tong gubat. Ang ganda ng reflection. Cookie! Cookie, here. Come on. Sobrang grabe nga layong lakaran nito. So magmula doon, napakalayo pa ng nilakad namin mula sa camp. Tapos eto, tapos mahabang lakaran pa rin siya. Kung naglalakad ka araw-araw, hindi mo siya tawag doon, hindi mo siya maalintana. Hindi mo siya maalintana. So, dahil sanay ako sa paglalakad, dahil kay Cookie, kahit winter naglalakad kami, ayos lang. Tsaka marami ka namang area na pwedeng mag-take a break. So, doon kami nang galing. Doon. Pero bago pa yan, lumakad kami mula sa campground namin. Dito pag summer, meron ditong tawag dito, may show kada gabi. Pero kapag tuwing summer lang yon, fall, spring, winter, sarado siya. Ang kagandahan, meron ding bathroom dito. Tapos may garbage. Tapos meron kang pwedeng paglagyan ng bike mo. Tapos yung mga matatanda, hindi mahihirapan kasi meron noong boardwalk. Yon. Cookie here. Tapos meron silang paganyan para masave nila yung bat species. Kasi sabi nila, nag-drop daw yung bat species. Dito kasi inaaral nila yung mga hayop. Tulad nung kahapon, nagpapakain si Lincoln ng chickadee. Nakita niya yung dalawang chickadee may tag. Tinanong niya bakit may tag. Yun ang sabi nga, inaano kasi nila, tawag doon, minomonitor nila. Yung ibang chickadee pala nagmamigrate pa all the way sa Mexico. So, itong Pinery Provincial Park, kilala talaga siya sa migratory birds. Maraming,
talking about the Arctic.
not yet. Maraming mga migratory birds ang nagpupunta rito. Marami talagang visitors na nagpupunta rito. This year, hindi ko nakikita. Ito lang yung pinaka first year na hindi ko siya nakita. Mula nang nagka-camping kami kada March break. Siya lang yung first year na hindi ko nakitaan kung saan na may mga photographer talaga. Kasi taon-taon na nakikita namin yung mga bumibisita, yung may mga mamahaling camera na yung lens pahaba ng pahaba yung dulo. I'm gonna start carrying Cookie. Okay? Bubuhatin ko na si Cookie kasi pagkatapos ng pataas na yan, malayo pa ang
We like
lalakarin
playing
namin.
the bad piggies modified part.
Okay, I'm gonna start carrying Cookie. So, hindi ko na ma-video yung hanggang kung saan kami talaga nagsimula kasi napakalayo na namin. Pero yun yung theater na tinuro ko kanina. Yan. At na-imagine nyo ba kung gaano kalayo? Hindi pa kasama dyan yung campground namin. Hindi pa dyan kasama yung paglabas sa campground. Tapos paglakad sa tabi ng riverside. Paglakad patungo sa visitor center. Ganon kalayo ang pinaglalakad namin. At hindi lang yan. Ayan pa. Punta pa dyan. Yan. Doon. Tapos, aakyat uli kami kasi ginagawa nila yung bridge. Tinanggal nila, pagkatapos, pinapalitan nila ng bago. Si Cookie, sabi ko sa mga bata, saglit lang, ibababa ko kasi kanina ko pa siya buhat-buhat. Ito siya nag-aamoy-amoy dito sa wilderness. Hinahabol ni Cookie yung squirrel. Cookie! Come on! Nakakita siya ng squirrel. Basta nakakita to si Cookie ng squirrel, natataranta talaga siya. Come on, Cookie! Come on! Ito yung inakyat naming dunes kahapon na napakataas. Tapos maano siya, matarik. What's that, Lance?
It's so nice. Peace and quiet.
Sabi ni Lance, it's so nice because it's peace and quiet.
I don't see the parking lot.
If you keep on walking. Sabi ko sa mga bata, wag naming akyatin yung dunes. Lakarin namin dito. Ito palang mga area dito. Campground naman siya. There's another dunes in here, eh? Lance, look on your side. See? I mean, dunes is all over the place, but something you can definitely climb. You want to climb the dunes? Huh? Okay, let's walk here on the side.
Well, let's go over here and then we can go back around the tree and go.
Okay. Lincoln. We'll take turns. Let her sniff for a little bit, Lance. Ano na to? Buhangin na. Say tabi-tabi po. Nakakatuwa tong berries na to. Asul na asul. Lance! Lance! Blue is a rare color, right?
Yeah.
And this is blue. See?
I'm trying to get around this tree.
Here. It's blue.
Oh yeah.
And why blue is a rare color? Because
I don't know. I forgot.
you forgot the reason behind it?
Yeah.
How about you, Lincoln? Do you remember?
Ow. Well, if you look up in the sky, well, if you count the sky, it's not that red color.
Whoa! This is lalong matarik to. Halos pa straight na siya. I'll have cookie, Lance.
It didn't matter. We had to climb a big dune anyways.
Yeah. When you climb, you create something, so. Cookie. And then you're gonna go back down, Lance?
No, I'm not.
You're not? Then I have to carry cookie and I have to carry this?
Fine, I'll carry that.
Okay.
Where was my thing?
Patarik ng patarik.
Short top, clear. What? Clear. What is?
It's good to hike?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Ang bilis ni Cookie. Sinagawan ako ng tracks ng mga bata. Kailangan kapag umakyat ka, patagilid. Kailangan talaga pag ganitong age ka, itry mo pa rin maging fit. Whew. Let's enjoy this moment for a bit. Okay?
Mom, I'm not walking down the cliff.
Yeah. You have to walk.
I'm doing anyway.
Yeah.
We're renovating the whole entire thing.
Yeah. You have to walk very slowly because there's that barrier. Boys, I'm just like staying here for a minute. Hindi mo na kailangan magpunta sa ibang bansa para makaranas lang ng disyerto. Eto. Eto para ka na rin nasa disyerto. Dunes talaga siya. Ayan. Grabe. Napakakalma ng ano. Nakalimutan ko na may tubig pala ron. Boys? Boys? See, I totally forgot that the Great Lake is just there. If you're here, you didn't notice this. The Great Lake is actually matching the color of the sky. It's extremely calm. You have to be on the top to be able to notice it. You have to be on the top and be far. Nakalimutan ko na. Ayan, no? Okay, baba na tayo. Oh, Cookie! Cookie! Wait! Kailangan mag-ingat. Cookie! Stay! 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 Kailangan pag ganitong bababa ka, patagilid. Huwag pa ano. Stay, Cookie. Stay. Stay. Ayan talaga, hindi mo na mapapansin kung nasaan yung Great Lake. Si Cookie napagod na pero ayaw niyang huminto. Parang nasa ibang planeta ka na. Parang nag-land ka na sa ibang planet. Ibang-iba na yung itsura niya. Wow, the moss here is very interesting. Yeah, you have it. Come on, Cookie. Let's go. See, just give it a moment. You can still see it from afar. The lake and the water are actually acting like one. Uh-huh. Come on, Cookie. Come on. Here. No, no. No. Here, Cookie. Here. Here. Cookie. You got tangled.
Mommy, I just
Ooh. What is that? Arctic tundras? What are those Arctic tundras? I'm gonna magnify it. You can just leave it here. Pagod na si Cookie. Hindi pala. Yeah? Naghukay si Cookie. Siguro nainitan siya. Mainitin talaga to si Cookie. Asong lamig talaga siya. Si Lance, naghahanap siya ng bato, yung tinatawag na geode. So, malaking bato siya na hollow yung sound niya. kung hollow yung sound niya, pag biniyak mo siya, parang yung loob crystallize.
Hey, mommy.
Yes?
Found this cool obsidian looking thing inside the rock though.
Oh, you were able to break it? Oh, cool. Last year, ang hinanap namin fossils. Ngayon naman, iba na yung trip nila. Geode naman ang hinahunt nilang rock. Ito yung treat ni Cookie. Hindi ko dinala yung buong packaging. Ito lang. Sit! 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 Cookie, sit! Ito yung treat ni Cookie. Dry duck. Ayan. Favorite niya.
Mula nang nagpunta kami dito sa beach, ano ang inyong napansin? Napansin nyo ba na mula nang nag-umpisa kaming maglakad, ay kami lang talaga sa kalsada, hanggang sa path, hanggang sa inakyat namin yung dunes, bumaba kami ng dunes, dito sa beach, kami lang talaga ang tao. Napakapayapa talaga. Parang nirentahan ng asawa ko tong beach, yung campground, para sa amin lang. Mararamdaman mo talaga yung kapayapaan. Naranasan nyo na ba na magpunta sa beach na kayo lang talaga? Magandang feeling siya inside. Para kang yung cellphone, di ba kapag low bat, pag chinarge mo, nare-recharge. Ganon din sa tao.
What's that, Lance?
So, we made a crucial discovery that led us to our first geode.
What?
Turns out the tiny pockets in the rocks aren't actually fossil.
What is it?
They're tiny air bubbles.
Can I see?
And they have like very tiny crystals inside. So I decided to open one up with bubbles. And this is what I
Let's see.
got.
Set it here, please, and then I'll take a video.
This is what I got. See the hole?
Oh wow! Wait.
10. Do you see the crystals inside?
Oh my! This is amazing.
10x.
Oh. Oh wow!
Take a picture.
To show Mushi,
Mm-hmm.
I have to use my other phone. Just
Yep.
a sec. That's amazing discovery.
Just take this. Did it crack? Can it be my turn? Here, I'm gonna try your rock. See if it's better.
Let's see, please.
We can hold the plastic bag.
Okay, like sit here so I can take a video like that.
It is really, it is kind of sharp, so I have to be careful.
Okay, just put it slowly on my hand, please.
But there's not much.
Oh.
Honestly, there was more outside than inside.
Okay.
Especially here.
Oh, you were trying to crack that part, the
Yeah.
inside there. Yeah. So should I throw this or what? Should I throw this or what, Lance? Do you still need this?
You can keep it. Keep all that we crack.
Tapos na kami. Babalik na kami sa aming campground.
Hey, Mommy, I had a smart idea. Look, see?
Yeah. Oh,
I don't have to carry it anymore.
you hang it there.
I don't have to go to the stage.
So marami talagang ano rito, dunes. Doon kami nang galing yung inakyat namin kanina. Papasalamat ako kay Cookie kasi dahil kay Cookie talagang naging fit talaga ako. Kasi lagi kaming lumalabas, lakad-lakad. Malakas talaga maka-healthy yung paglalakad sa araw-araw.
And it says we are okay to walk on already existing trails.
Uh-huh.
It's all grass.
So it says
Before it cuts with grass, it says to not step on them because that would lead to quick erosion.
so it's okay to walk on an existing trail like this, eh?
Yeah, like this. Also, we managed. Wait, what about the geos?
Gusto ni Lance balikan yung na-crack ng geode. Ayokong balikan niya yung mag-isa. Walang tao dito, kami lang. Nagiinit na yung ulo ni Lance. Mahirap din magkaroon ng ganitong yung nakadamit ka ng... No, I'm telling them that it's also... Punit na yung snow pants ni Lance. I'm telling them that the situation of having a lot of clothes is also hard. It's just like easy to see. Binaba ko muna si Cookie. Nanggaling kami doon, pero hindi lang doon kasi lumiko pa kami. Tapos umakyat kami ng dunes. At pagkatapos, ito ang lalakarin namin doon. Pagdating namin diyan, tatawirin namin yung bat area, tapos visitor center, tapos riverside. Binaba ko muna si Cookie. Bubuhatin ko uli si Cookie kasi mahabang lakaran to. Nakakaawa naman si Cookie, maliit. Gusto niya maglakad kaya lang maliit kasi siyang aso eh. Nag-aalala rin ako sa mangyayari sa joints niya. Di bali sana kung asong pang ano talaga siya. Kaso lapdog si Cookie. Hey Cookie, buhatin ka na. Boys, I'm gonna move forward. Please stop. Please stop, boys. Yan.
Pig's race species will probably be used.
I-video ko ulit pagdating namin sa may bat area. So, nanggaling na kami, nandito na kami sa may outdoor theater. At nanggaling kami doon. Doon. Tapos remember, sinabi ko, lumiko kami tapos umakyat ng dunes. Mula doon, kinarga ko si Cookie. Binaba ko muna si Cookie. At, yan si Cookie. Binaba ko muna siya. Andito na kami. Tapos, ilalakad ko dun si Cookie. Bubuhatin ko uli siya.
I know it's good for mining. What? To start
Saglit lang, Cookie.
to start Halloween.
Na ano ko, sobrang naging healthy na ako sa pagpapala ng yelo. Hasang-hasa ng mga muscle ko. Kaya ko ng mahabang lakaran. At buhatin si Cookie ng malayuan. Dahil sa matinding pagpapala ng yelo. Ha. So dito naman, ay ito pala yung theater. Ayan. So open lang siya pag summer. Ng gabi. Kasi gumagamit sila ng projector. So doon, pag nalakad namin yon, yan, mag-end up kami sa my visitor center. So hindi pa nakikita dito. Pag dumating na kami sa pinaka-end na yon, pakita ko naman sa inyo yung daan uli. Buhatin ko na uli si Cookie. Can you see? Cookie! This is his favorite.
Put it in the water.
So she drinks.
Yeah.
Your brother said put it in the water. You're not drinking.
Oh no. A very messy eating. It's not really working. She's feeding the water out as she eats it.
100 times more drool
See?
would you like?
Water gets in her mouth.
100 times more drool would you like? Hey, mommy. This is what the people look like. 100 times more drool.
Here, here, here. You got it? Here, here. At least your beard got refreshed, Cookie. Oh, now she's drinking. Good job, Cookie. Now she's drinking. Good job. Tapos na naming malakad yung may bat area. Ayan. Diyan kami huminto at kumain si Cookie ng favorite niyang treat. Malayo rin siyang lakaran. At binaba ko muna si Cookie. At ito naman ang lalakarin namin ngayon. Yung mga puno-puno sa likod ni Lincoln. Lalakarin namin siya. Ang ending namin sa likod ng visitor center. So buhatin ko muna si Cookie uli. Papakawalan ko na lang si Cookie kapag narating na namin yung riverside. Cookie, stop. Kailangan mo nang mabuhat. So anyways, eto na. Hindi ko mapapakita yung, tignan natin. Ayun yun. Yun, yung paliko. Hindi ko na mapapakita yung buong area kasi may paliko. Si Cookie nagagalit na sa akin. Gusto niya nang bumaba. Ito naman yung susunod. Ito naman yung susunod naming lalakarin. Yung parking lot. So, ayan yung visitor center. Ayan siya. Itong parking lot. So, doon kami nang galing. Doon. 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 At ngayon naman, layo no. Ngayon naman, ay mangangalsada na kami. At bubuhatin ko ulit si Cookie. Punta kami muna dito sa side ng stop sign. Dito ko siya bubuhatin para wala kami sa gitna ng kalsada. Although, very minimal lang yung dumadaan na sasakyan. It's still better to be safe than sorry. Yan. So, sa video na to, ay makikita nyo talaga sa video na ito ang meaning ng hiking. Yan, visitor center. So, lalakarin hanggang doon. Doon sa may, lagpas pa ng sign ng turtle. Lagpas pa ng sign doon. Okay, buhatin ko na uli si Cookie. Tara na. At ayan, binaba ko na si Cookie. So, dito na tayo sa riverside. So, pwede nang maglakad si Cookie. Pakita ko sa inyo yung nilakad. Doon. 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 O, sa may kotse. Yesterday pala, etong riverside, ano siya, tawag dito. Frozen siya. Boys! I want to stop on the dock. Cookie! 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 The what?
I want to sit next to poop.
There's a poop?
Yeah, that.
Oh, that thing.
There's a kayaker.
There is? Oh, yeah. So, kahapon frozen to. Saglit.
Looks like the researchers. They probably are researchers. Yeah, they are researchers.
How do you know?
No, they're not.
Then why are they yelling at each other? How do you know they're not researchers?
They're just visitors here or people camping in here. You can close your eyes. So yesterday, this was all frozen. Tapos may area dyan para mag-stop at maupo. At ayun naman yung kabilang area. Maganda rin sa kabilang area. Yung intro ko pala, yung intro ko na Pinay Mom in Canada, nung ini-introduce dun si Lincoln, dito siya lumangoy. Nang huli nun si Lance ng isda. Last year lang yun. We can sit down here. We can sit down and relax. Here, sit down and relax.
Where are the apples?
Let them be if they wrote something bad there. Nahiga na si Lincoln doon. Lincoln, lie down there. You want to lie down there too? So doon yung lalakarin namin. Kasi pag nagbibideo ko kung nasaan yung mga geese, doon area yon. Diyan yan. Oh. Yan. Diyan nagtatago yung mga geese. So hanggang diyan yung lalakarin namin. Yan. Tapos tatawid kami, tapos campground na namin. At eto na kami. So si Cookie ay naglalakad-lakad na siya. Dahil dito, malapit-lapit na kami sa campground namin. At malambot yung ground, soft siya dahil sa pine needles. So sa hindi pa po nakaka-experience, ito yung sinasabi ko. Ito yung pine needles. Kumbaga, siya yung dahon ng evergreen na bumagsak at natuyo. At nagiging siya, soft cushion siya sa ground. So may nagkakayak kanina. Hindi naman 100 frozen yung lake, pero kung mapapansin nyo, yellow pa rin. Hindi man sila malunod dahil meron silang vest. Ayan, i-zoom ko. Hindi man sila malunod dahil meron silang vest. Tiyak naman ha. Matitegi ka kaagad dyan dahil ang babagsakan mo, yellow. Ayan.
Oh, it's one.
Where?
One.
Oh my. Yeah, great eyesight, Lance.
I think it's Arctic tundra. I think it's the Arctic swan.
It's tundra. We should make a wish. Because we finally, on its own, we finally see the tundra.
It looks like it's having its neck underground. The water. Look, see, it's stop its neck in the water. See? There's a cat. Either that, or either it's not happy, or it's searching for food. Look, see? It puts its neck on the ground and it's swimming like a worm.
But why is it alone?
Well, I don't know. Don't ask me. Ask it.
I'm not asking you. I'm wondering. I think it's trying to hunt for food.
Yeah.
You want food? Arctic tundra? Here, this one. This one. This one is a thug. Look. Oh, look, she's out. Oh my Gordita Crunch, she found her new love. Look, she's so happy and contented that she actually sat down on her own. She's so happy just watching the animal over there.
No, what she's thinking
Yeah,
right
this
now is
one.
food.
Eh?
What she's thinking about is, hey, that's a lot of food.
She's so contented.
Because she's thinking about food. She's thinking about animal.
Yeah, exactly.
No, she's not vibrating. She's in a super calm mode. See?
But she's vibrating now. See? See, she's vibrating now.
She's not. She's.
She is vibrating.
Okay, Cookie, let's go. Doon yung nilakad namin.
Mickey Mouse character.
At masarap siyang lakarin kasi riverside siya. Marami kang matatanaw. Let's go on the side. There's a vehicle, boys. Back home. Yay! We're here. So, doon yung pinanggalingan namin. Yay! And we're here. We're gonna make campfire to make bannock. Nagka-problema kami sa pintuan namin. Tapos nung dumating kami, sinasabi rin ng mga bata, gutom na sila. Kahit may snack kami. Habang naglalakad kami, may trail mix sila. Pero syempre, nakita nyo naman sa video, di ba? Sobrang grabing haba ng nilakad namin. Ito si Cookie, pagod na rin siya. Buti, pinakain ko siya ng pinakain habang nasa labas kami.
What are you doing?
Tapos, habang nagluluto, ito yung niluluto ko ngayon. Macaroni siya, hamburger helper. Sabi ko sa mga bata, habang nagluluto ako, nag-microwave ako ng pizza pocket. Tapos, nag-microwave din ako ng, tawag dito, nag-microwave din ako ng taquitos. Tapos, ayaw nila to, ang kinakain nilang pogo, yung regular pogo. Eto kasi.
No, it's not regular pogo. It's
No, I'm telling them the pogo that you like is regular pogo. But I'm gonna tell them that I didn't realize what I pack was a breakfast pogo. So, ayaw nila yung gusto nila yung regular, hindi breakfast. So, nakakain na sila pangalawang ano na to, tawag dito. Pangalawang pizza packet. Tapos, nakaapat na sila na taquitos. So, tamang maluto to. Hindi na sila sobrang gutom na gutom. Grabe talaga. Ang
Mommy, it's
gutom ng
opposite
mga
day.
batang lumalaki.
Mommy, it's opposite day. When we come back to school, our meals called supper. And usually, we have meals at supper. We had to have breakfast.